think that this event is very much about building creativity in the sport, and I think that people that use it in a creative way are kind of pushing the sport at the same time.
I think at this point in the season, it's like, have some fun, you know, and things like this are quite an experiment at this point.
You're going to have to be an all-around good snowboarder to be able to shred this thing hard and win for sure.
First of all, I got to learn how to ride pipe again, and then I got to learn how to ride a double pipe.
So it's really going to take an all-around snowboarder to really accomplish a big win here.
I got to get up there and try it out. We'll see how it goes.
So this year we have the added step-up jump first, which is really cool, adds a little slope-style element, as well as the channel gap. You know, riders that we see utilizing that feature, they're going to get scored up.
Big gap in the wall, it's kind of cool, scare yourself a little bit.
The spine is very difficult, especially the upper part where it's full vert on both sides.
I think what makes the spine so challenging is just the vision of not seeing over it, and the fact that we're so used to coming back in.
Yeah, I think it's like just something you have to learn on the spot and figure out after a few tries, but it's, yeah, something we're not really used to.
As a coach, I want them to find a line that they're stoked on and just make them, you know, push them a little bit further than they're comfortable with so they get something done that in the end they'll be stoked to do.
There's not really any features like it in snowboarding, so I think adapting to something that, you know, nobody ever gets to ride is really unique.